So, hello students. Today we are going to learn part 5 of chapter number 20, that is power and exponents and powers of class 8. Okay. So, in the previous period we have learned some laws of exponents and we have solved some examples based on that one. Today also we are going to do some more practice on laws of exponents. Okay. So now let us consider one example. It is given that simplify 49 into p raised to minus 4 upon 7 raised to minus 3 into 14 into p raised to minus 8. Okay. Now, what we have to do, we have to make use of some laws of exponents and solve this one. Okay. Now, before proceeding, look at this number. This one is a 49. So, what we will do, we'll try to find the factors of 49. Okay. Now, what are the factors of 49? So let us find it here. So 49. Now 7 sevens are 7 ones are. It means that 49 can be written as 7 raised to 2. That is 7 is multiplied 2 times. Okay. So what you will get instead of 49? Now we'll get here 7 raised to 2. Okay. The next, this p raised to minus 4, we'll write it as it is here. Okay. Then this 7 raised to minus 3, that will also come as it is. Now, this 14, let us find its factors, okay? So, 14 can be written as 2 sevens are 7 ones are. So, what are the factors of 14? 14 equals to 2 into 7. Now, remember that this one is not having any power, means it is every time 1, okay? So, in next step, you will get this 14 will become 2 into 7 and this p raised to minus 8 will be as it is, okay? Now, here it can be seen that in numerator 7 and p are there, which are different from each other, and both of them are having different powers. But here this 7 raised to minus 3 and this 7 is present in denominator. Okay, now as I told that if these numbers are not having any power, we can write it as 1 over there. Okay, so what you will get in next step, 7 raised to 3 into 7 raised to 1 into 2 raised to 1, we have just changed its place. Okay, into p raised to minus 8. Now these both numbers are having same base and multiplying each other. So during such a time, what we do, we do addition of their powers. So in next step you will get the numerator will be as it is, but in denominator, now what you will get, this will become 7 raised to minus 3 plus 1 into 2 raised to 1 into p raised to minus 8. Okay, now again this numerator will be as it is, we are not going to make any change. Okay, but this denominator, now minus 3 plus 1 will become minus 2. Okay, so it will become 7 raised to minus 2 into 2 raised to 1 into p raised to minus 8. Okay, now in next step, what we have to do, now in numerator 7 is there, in denominator also 7 is there. So two numbers with different powers are dividing each other. During such time, what we do, we subtract the powers. Okay, so in next step you will get, now this will become 7 raised to 2, means power of this one. Then this is of rule subtraction. Okay, now what you have to subtract, the power of the denominator, so that is minus 2 into, again here p raised to minus 4 is present in numerator, p raised to minus 8 is present in denominator. Okay, so what we have to do, two numbers with same base and different powers are dividing, so we can subtract the powers. Okay, so what you will get, this p raised to minus 4 as it is. Now minus, okay, what you have to subtract, we have to subtract the power of the denominator, that is minus 8. Okay, so in next step you will get, now this 2 minus minus will become plus. Okay, then what you will get, 2 plus 2. Now here minus 4 as it is, now plus, what you have to write, this minus minus will become plus, so here you will get 8. Okay, then remaining as it is. Now in next step, these both powers will add each other and this will subtract with each other. Okay, so what you will get now, 2 plus 2 4 and opposite signs are there, so 8 minus 4, 4. Okay, now we have 7 raised to 4 into p raised to 4 upon 2. No further division is possible, so what we will do, we will write its value, that is we will multiply 7 4 times. So when we multiply 7 4 times, our final answer becomes 2401 into p raised to minus 4 upon 2. Okay, so this is our final answer. Look at this question again and again, then only it will be easy for you to understand. Now let us look at next type of example. Now here we have, find the value of m, means any variable for which 5 raised to m divided by 5 raised to minus 3 is equal to 5 raised to 5. Okay, so let us solve it. Now what we are given with, so given is that 5 raised to m divided by 5 raised to minus 3 is equal to 5 raised to 5. Now we have to find the value of this m, and where this m is present, it is present in power. Okay, its place is power. So if you want to find the value of the power, we have to keep only, we have to make the base same or equal. Okay, we have to make the bases same. Okay, the next step, now what we will do, these two numbers are having same base and dividing, so what we can do, we can subtract the powers. Okay, so in next step you will get 5 raised to m. Now this is our subtraction. Now what we have to subtract, minus 3, okay, equals to 5 raised to 5. Okay, in next step this minus minus will become plus. Okay, so you will get 5 raised to m plus 3 equals to 5 raised to 5. Now look at both the sides of this equal to, here also only one term. Okay, that is only one base with some power and one base with some power, and both the bases are equal. Okay, so when the base are equal, we can write this power directly equal to each other. So in next step will get, since the base are equal. Okay, so now directly what can we write, now we won't write this 5 and 5, we directly write m plus 3 equals to 5. Okay, so we get here m plus 3 equals to 5. Now what we will do in next step, this we want to keep this m on one side, so this plus 3 will become minus on the other side. Okay, so you will get m equals to 5 minus 3. Finally our answer will be, therefore m equals to 2. Okay, so this is our final answer. So this much is enough for today. Hope you all must have understood up till here. Thank you, have a nice day.